Hello friends! Today's video is going to be a little bit different. As you may know, I have reached my goal. I am officially monetized. As you may have noticed, there have been ads on my videos recently, and this means I will be able to get some of the money back that I put into my videos. So thank you so much for making that happen and giving me those watch hours and the subscriptions, and they keep coming in and it's like blowing me away. To celebrate, here are some of my more questionable moments. I'm coming up on 40 videos, so that's a lot of time spent editing and filming and crafting. So yeah, I got a lot of content to show you. The last 2 years of my life have been the most craziest, and I'm sure for this past year has been the craziest for a lot of people. Here's just a part of my journey, and thank you so much. For 2019, I think I want to concentrate more on my business, and I know for a fact that I want to concentrate on my graphic design career because I'm graduating finally after 5 years of going to school as an adult learner, and also to upload more YouTube videos, more tutorials. So I hope you will follow me in this journey of organization and goal setting. So this is just proof that things get worse before they get better, as true with most things in life. What a difference. I think I'm going to spend a lot more time in here, which equals more work. I worked and I went to school, and yeah, it was exhausting but very rewarding, and I'm so glad I did it. And now I have a job. So I think with my other time during the week, I'm gonna focus on jewelry and my channel. I'm super excited about that. So this is what I mean when I say that bullet journals can help you visualize your goals. Here you can see that my goal is to reach 4,000 hours in view time to get monetized, and as you can see, I have a long way to go. Each little box is 4 hours, and this box is 4 subs to get to 1,000. So here you can see I still have a long way to go, but makes me happy every time I get to fill in one of these little boxes, and I look forward to it. Is the new Instagram algorithm giving you rage poops? Yeah. Hi. She's out of the bag.
Why are you in the bag? Why are you in the bag, Boo-Boo? Get out of the bag.
Do you love glitter? I think it's okay. Okay, so far so good. Coming out of the mold. What? That I did not expect. I can see you. So this is pretty much a visual representation of how I feel today. It's been an emotional day for me. I'm just reflecting on the fires happening in Australia and feeling helpless and trying to help at the same time. But I figured making a video would cheer me up. It looks like a frickin' scrambled egg from another dimension. Those in there. I didn't take off the plastic on that one. That was silly. tired of this channel being cursed. I hope everyone is staying safe in this very difficult time. I haven't done a video of myself for a while, just haven't felt up to it, understandably so. I figured I would do a little craft room tour. It has changed a lot. It's pretty much my like dream room right now, and I'm very thankful that I'm in the point in my life where I can have a room completely dedicated to what I love to do, because I am a crazy craft person. Why'd you look at me like that? That was so rude. What are you doing? She's such a weirdo. Nebby, no. This is why you're not allowed in here. It's there. I did a thing, and it's not Animal Crossing or resin. I do want to mention that I hit 1,000 subscribers. And I'm also gonna eat some pickles, because I want pickles. Is that like just a literal chunk of broccoli? No, honey. Mother, I crave war. What is that? Oh, here comes my stubbornness, galloping to the rescue.
It has come to my attention that many of you witches and warlocks have not been using PPE while working with resin. Even if your resin doesn't say to use protection while working with it on the label, I would always side with caution and wear a respirator with a filter rated for fumes. Not only is it good for crafting, but will come handy in the end times, which are probably happening as we speak.
So my last earring video did super well, just blowing my mind. It's my best performing video by far, and you know, I'm gonna give the tubes what it wants. I really do love making these videos, and it's getting me through these hard times. It gives me something to look forward to and, you know, unleash my creativity and put it out there in the world in hopes to inspire you. I'm actually very close to being able to submit my application to be monetized. In this one, we're going to be using turquoise. And look very Beetlejuicy today. Our Beetles juicy. So, this project. Oh. I also attempted to dye my resin with some really old acrylic paint. Wouldn't recommend it. And that's what crafting is all about. Failing and learning from your mistakes and becoming a better person. So especially in this time, I think it's super important to get involved in something relaxing, spirit boosting, and confidence building. Follow your dreams. It's hard work, but it's worth it. You wonderful people, just keep being you and keep doing what you do. That's a new one.